If Figma is showing error 105, don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. Error 105 usually points to a network, connection, or app access issue, so the good news is that there are a few simple things you can try before assuming Figma is completely down. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, check your network connection. This is the most important first step because error 105 can happen when your current internet connection is blocking Figma or having trouble reaching the service. A quick way to test this is by switching to a different network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try using a mobile hotspot. If Figma works on another network, then the problem is likely with your current ISP, router, or local network settings rather than Figma itself. If you are on a school, office, or public network, those networks may also restrict certain services, so testing with another connection can save you a lot of time. Next, disable any security tools that might interfere with Figma. This includes VPNs, proxy servers, and strict firewalls. Sometimes these tools are useful for privacy or security, but they can also block the connection Figma needs to load properly. If you have a VPN running, turn it off and refresh Figma. If you are using a proxy, disable that as well. And if you have firewall software with custom rules, temporarily relax those settings just long enough to test whether Figma opens correctly. The goal here is to isolate whether one of these tools is causing the error. Now let's clear the DNS or browser cache. If you use Figma in a browser, your browser may be holding onto old or broken data that prevents the site from loading correctly. Try clearing your browser cache and then reload Figma. You can also flush your system DNS if you want to remove old network records that may be pointing to the wrong place. On many systems, this can help when websites fail to connect even though the internet is working normally. After clearing the cache or DNS, reopen Figma and check if error 105 is gone. If you're using the Figma desktop app, the next step is to reset the app. Desktop apps can sometimes store local data that becomes corrupted or outdated, which may trigger connection problems. Close Figma completely, then restart it cleanly. If that doesn't help, clear the app's local data if possible, or sign out and sign back in. In some cases, reinstalling the desktop app can also refresh everything and remove whatever is causing the error. This is especially useful if the browser version works but the desktop app does not. After each step, test Figma again so you know which fix actually solved the issue. Start with the network change, then move to VPN or firewall settings, then clear cache or DNS, and finally reset the app if needed. Working in this order helps you avoid unnecessary changes and makes the troubleshooting process much faster. If you're still seeing error 105 after trying all of these steps, the problem may be temporary on Figma's side or caused by a deeper network restriction. But in most cases, one of these fixes will get you back into Figma quickly. If this video helped you fix the issue, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.